to make a lighter version, a tint of a pure color called a hue, it's always best to start with white and add color to it. Start with a little bit of blue. You've got that there. And start swirling it around in the white. You can see how quickly that blue shows up. And see how I'm rolling? I kind of press and roll because the cotton tends to kind of bunch up. Okay, so I've got a nice light blue here. There we go. And now in this white blob, I'm going to add more blue to this color so I can make a deeper blue than the one over here. All right, and then I kind of push the paint into a little pile because then it stays wet longer and I don't have to remix it as much. But you want to mix and start painting with it pretty quickly. All right, now let's go ahead and make a lighter yellow. I'm going to scoot this little guy over here. Boop. So I don't make green because yellow and blue make green. I could make a green. That would be kind of a pretty color in this. Okay, so I've got a lighter yellow now. And that's how we've made tints of our primary colors, our true colors, which again are the hues of the colors.